Breaking news right before I was about to call it a day, the Senate passed the no tax on tips bill. It's crazy, I know. However, a win is a win. 100% of the votes voted yes for this, no matter what side of the fence you are on. Okay, but I want to make sure we get some things clear and what this means. This is a tax break and a tax deduction up to $25,000. That means you can claim no tax on your tips on your taxes. It's a deduction up to $25,000. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, so I hope that makes sense, okay? But I want to read it to make sure that we get this correct. The legislation would create a new tax deduction worth up to $25,000 for tips, limited to cash tips that workers report to employers for withholding purposes on payroll taxes. The tax break is also restricted to employees who earned $160,000 or less in 2025, an amount that will rise with inflation in the upcoming years. So if you make more than $100,000 a year, you can't claim it. However, this is a tax deduction, more like a tax break. It's not necessarily you're not gonna get taxed on your paycheck. You will claim it on your tax as a tax deduction. But hey, a win is a win. But to be honest, most of y'all won't claim y'all taxes anyway. Y'all won't claiming it, okay? And I know MAGA is gonna be like win is a win. I'm gonna give them that. But I know MAGA is gonna say, "Oh, President Trump." Kamala Harris has said the same thing. Everyone always agreed on this. This is something, no matter what side of the fence you're on, that you can agree upon. So please, can't we just take a win for once? NARC News Now, facts, details, opinionated.